everyone. I am here with Chris from Orlando, and what are we doing today?
Today, we are doing something that I was supposed to do on May the 4th, but then the world ended. Today, we're here at Hollywood Studios at Savi's workshop, so I can build my own lightsaber.
Ooh.
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
So, here at Savi's workshop, you get to make these like really nice high quality lightsabers. They're only about $200, which isn't bad. She thought they were $800.
I could have sworn it was way more than you told me about.
But yeah, you get to like customize the whole thing. You get to choose your color. They're really good quality. I'm really interested in them because I can use them for stage combat, because that's something I do too.
Biggest dork in the world.
Absolutely. You should subscribe to my channel and we can dork out together.
Sanitize your hands right here. These symbols are all of our different ones. Open up the drawers after you sanitize and look through the parts.
Alright.
So we're doing this instead of on our phones, right? Because you're having some issues scanning the code.
Yeah, for some reason the thing's not downloading, so they're using trying to social distance and all that, but at least we can get a good look at these. I know that each of these drawers have like a different like style, like one's like power and order, one's like protection, one's more the natural world and stuff like that.
They have a lot of different options.
Yeah, it is a lot. Really let you customize it, and then of course you get to pick your kyber crystal, which tells you the color of your lightsaber inside.
Nice.
So yeah, this one's definitely the natural one. Ooh, look at that pretty bronze.
Which one are you gonna get? Tough decisions.
It is a tough decision. It's between these two. I think I'll go for this one because I really like the bronze.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, it's the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get inside, but but definitely feeling more of the bronze.
Okay.
So that's the actual lightsaber symbol there.
So now we are standing on our spot. We're waiting our turn.
Go this way. Go this way. Ready. On top of things.
What's our last name today?
Protection and defense.
And were we interested in a hilt stand or belt clip today?
Maybe not. Am I able to buy the belt clip at a later date?
Yeah, you can either buy it back here or if you head up the dock on ours, they have them over there too.
I think I'll skip them for the day.
So your total is $212, 2099 credits.
My mask.
Ooh, what'd you get there?
So this is a pin that they give out in addition to the lightsaber. Like you get this pin based on whatever style lightsaber you get. So I got the protection and defense kind, but they would also have one for natural world and order and peace and all that stuff.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but where we're waiting, we can see Rey and Chewbacca.
Alright, you guys can come on over here. I know if Andy and Michael are Ray, she'll send you to the station.
Perfect. We're going to follow right this way from my friend Diana.
And my guests are going to be right here on this space.
Good, my friends. Excellent. Now, first of all, we've been controlling our engines for some time now. Welcome to Savi's workshop. We are so excited you're here. So glad that you found us. These are the gatherers that will be helping you, and you may call me Kembe. And I know all this looks like just a lot of old junk. But let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk. Perhaps I should explain. You see, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring in here. So where a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. For in these times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Oh, I hope you've all heard of the legends of Luke Skywalker. Yes, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey. Exactly, Rey. She was a scavenger just like us. And what Rey is leading? Well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for so long. And that is why you are here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is as elegant as it is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. So enough talk, yes? Let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber, and the color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these with some of the greatest Jedi legends in our history. For example, the blue crystal, favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and red. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a beautiful and very rare Kyber crystal, favored by the great Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the color of power, this was favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes, and picture your Kyber crystal in your mind. What color calls to you? Remember, it is equally lighted. The crystal is choosing you. Good. Open your eyes. And select your Kyber crystal. The very heart of your lightsaber. Good. Builders, carefully place those crystals in the green crystal holders in front of you. Excellent. For it is now time to begin the construction of our hilt. So the gatherers will place before you the selection you previously made. And from there you will choose the precise components that will comprise your unique lightsaber. The hilt is really the foundation of the lightsaber. It's your center of control. Also, it's the part that will keep your hands from being disintegrated. Good. So let's observe these components before we start, beginning with the chassis. You'll then see on the other side of your box the activation plates. We'll choose 2 of the 4 grips for affixing the blade emitter and then the pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers are here to help you through every part of this process. So, builders, are you ready? Yes. Excellent. Then let's build.
Right now, travelers, my name is Andy. I'm going to be your gatherer. So first thing we're going to do is grab our chassis, okay? Keep an eye out for these lines right here. They indicate the top half of your hilt. Now, we're going to move to the Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal will go in this buzzer right here. Easiest way to do so is to push up this plate and underneath the line with the crystal itself, okay? So you have the crystal
Those larger crystals are a little bit chunkier than the narrow ones. So don't worry about getting the help to hold them steady for you.
It keeps like turning red.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to here in the center, grab your crystal. Use that in. Like I said, these wide crystals are always the trickiest. There it goes. Perfect. All right, guys, now we're going to choose our activation plate. You can choose either set or you can use them as a pair. Once you have your set selected, if you look at your chassis, you'll see there's red and blue marks on the inside. Those match the red and blue marks on the activation plate. So put the blue square on top of the blue and the red on top of the red. And then just press them all together around the crystal. Once those are tight in place, press up on your trigger and make sure you hear the sound of the crystal forming that circuit. That's how we know that everything is true. All right, my friends, so now we're going to choose our grip. So you'll notice that every grip has a wider edge. Yours are brass, yours are bronze, and yours are silver. That's wider edge. You go towards the center. Doesn't matter if you're on the top or bottom, as long as that center ring is that way. Then you press and twist to thread the metal together. So flip that around so the brass is in the center. There you go.
Smooth.
And on the bottom of your hook right here, and then press and twist to thread it together.
It's hot in there.
And then we'll do the same thing with the other piece for the top layer. Find that brass, and towards the center, press and twist. Now for power and control, it's going to be a lot of press and a very low limit twist. It's ironically not all about power. Go figure.
This thing has some weight to it.
All right, if you're happy with your sleeves and you're ready for your emitter, that's going to be the one that's on number 2 strong. And that's just going to twist it right onto the top. There you go. Put it on there. Perfect. All right, and then we're ready for your emitter next for that number 3 strong. And then the final step is we got combo cap. And that just fits right onto the other end. And then whenever you're happy with your saber, simply place it on the hook stand in front of you, and that's how I'll know you're ready for that final inspection.
So whenever it comes into that way, what you have to do is slide up and down, okay?
Well done, my friends. These two here. Now, how do they feel, gentlemen? Great. A little heavier than you expected, I trust. Yes. Good.
All right, looks like we're all set here.
Piece lightsaber. Found them almost
Everything looks good. I'm just going to adjust this up a little bit. I want to see if I can get a little bit more fluff for you. There we go. All right. So we are all set. When somebody says it needs to activate, simply press forward on that trigger and the blade will adjust.
Those pieces could be as old as 1,000 generations before the Battle of Yavin.
Oh wow.
Oh yes.
Super.
What kind of crystal did you put in?
Green.
Very nice. Nice to Yoda's color in there. Excellent.
It's just kind of funny that this is kind of designed for kids, but everyone here is an adult like me.
Powerful saber.
Like
And I'm
you.
one of them. Game recognizes game.
One color crystal would you choose for that? We've all completed our hilts, and nothing catastrophic or traumatic has happened. Yet. So for the next part, I would ask you all please take a step back. Thank you, my friends, just for a moment, to allow this skilled team of gatherers to complete what is the most dangerous part of the entire process. That's preparing your hilts for activation in the crystal stabilization chambers. Well done, gatherers. Good. Now, builders. For the...
Many parts there were. Now, join they are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is indeed time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forged. So in just a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards. Place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber, and then on my mark, gentlemen, we will activate together. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Then take a step forwards. Place the hand on the hilt of your lightsaber and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you, and like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Deactivate and lower the lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your sabers, we're pleased to offer you all a saber sheath, and in just a moment I'll dismiss you one group at a time to receive the sheath as a celebration of your accomplishment. For our time is now at an end, yours is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy, for you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. Who knows, next time, we could be telling your story. Friends, raise your sabers! Yeah! My friend, would you be the first to head back into the outdoors? Thank you so much. And gentlemen, please, congratulations again.
Get out my shot.
Right, you want me to hold this?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah, it has some heft to it.
that's kind of heavy. Are you excited?
Very much so. I'm very happy. This is 5 months overdue.
I'm happy for you, you big dork.
Should be. So,
Got like your fancy case for it.
yep.
Nice.